Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Scott, and Scott is here 2 years after his hair transplant surgery with me, and as you can see, he looks a lot different than his prior pictures. I can kind of put side by side here, and I kind of was late doing the video, so we're just, he's here for a second surgery, and I actually just shaved his crown. He let us shave his crown. What we're doing this surgery is we're going to fill in these areas a little bit more, tighten it up even more. And he already has a nice tight hairline, but he wants more. You know, when we do a hair transplant, it's 30%. His parents are here, and they said, "You're crazy for even doing another one. You look awesome." But he's doing this for himself, and he's really going to double up on the density here. But overall, Scott, you know, how do you like your hair? And tell us how your life's been with hair.
Absolutely love it. Like you said, the first time, one procedure would definitely be enough. I have no problem if I never had another one.
Yep.
But I just want to get it done. I feel like a finish. You know, for me, I want it thicker.
Yep.
And the crown was kind of left open.
Exactly.
So yeah,
yep.
I think this would be complete.
So, in disclosure, we did shave his crown away, so his crown actually had a little bit of hair here, and I'll put some pictures in there. But we're really going to focus today on the crown, and we're actually going to take out his old scar, so he'll be left with a single scar. And looking forward to documenting your progress today.
Yep.
He's going to let us shave the front, and we'll come back and check on him a little later.
Sounds good.
Thanks so much.
Thank you.
Okay, Dr. Huebner here, Natural Transplants. I'm here with Scott, and Scott has just finished his hair transplant surgery, number 2, actually.
Yep.
So, you know, we didn't do a lot of video footage because he was sleeping most of the time, so we just wanted to let him rest and sleep. And but anyway, I want to show people what we've done. But, you know, how was your day today? I mean, I know you're sleeping a lot of it, but...
No, I was, after the shots went in, I mean, I was asleep for, what? Pretty much the whole time.
Thing, almost,
like,
yeah.
A few minutes, so not bad at all.
You can see what we've done here. We've basically just reinforced everything. We jam-packed the frontal hairline, temples again, and of course the crown, which we've jam-packed as well. So again, he was nice enough to let us shave the head away, and he'll be wearing, he's fortunate because the next couple of weeks he's able to wear a hat or some kind of head covering. So
yep.
Scott, really looking forward to seeing your second procedure in terms of results, and
yep.
Thanks again for sharing your story once again.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.